What's up, pioneers? This is Daniel here with your Daily Investor, the place where we talk about investing, not only in stocks, but in yourself. Look, guys, I have a banger for you guys today. We're going to be talking about ticker symbol BIOL and why I really believe that this is a great company to invest in short and long term and why it's potentially getting ready to break out. So without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, so if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload, and also do your boy a favor and like this video to help your boy out with the YouTube algorithm. I very much appreciate it. So look guys, I'm going to be going over ticker symbol BIOL, and we have some heat for this video. I have a lot of research and technical analysis that I want to do for you guys to show you why I really feel like this stock is getting ready to break out and why it can be a good short-term and also a great long-term investment. So without further ado, let's roll into the portfolio and see how we did for the day, and then we're going to get into the research. Alright guys, so this right here is ticker symbol BIOL, Biolase Dentistry. I'm excited about this one in the short term and also potentially in the long term. So as you see, we're at $1.38 today. They closed their offering, which we're going to go over that in this video as well. They did a public offering, and the price dipped to $1.28. I took advantage of that. I had $1.36 average cost, and now we're at $1.33. I bought the dip. I had 1,390 shares yesterday, and now we're sitting at a crazy amount of 3,500. So this is my first, big trade that I'm in, that I have this many shares involved with. I'm excited to see where we go with this one. I have, the utmost confidence in this one right here to do a little small double up on my money. So I'm excited about this one, and I'm glad to share this one with you guys. So as you see, we're up 3.76%. So we're only up 5 cents, and we're up $175. That is insane to me. That is insane. So look, right there, I'm already excited about the potential that we have with this company, with this trade. Right now, like I said, this is right now only a short-term position for me, and it potentially might turn into a long-term, but we're gonna see. We're gonna just play the thing out and see where we go. So now, if you guys are wondering what Biolase Dentistry is, Biolase Dentistry is a medical device company and a global market leader in the manufacturing and marketing of proprietary dental laser systems that enable dentists and dental specialists to perform a broad range of minimally invasive dental procedures, including cosmetic, restorative, and surgical applications. Biolase laser systems are designed to provide clinically superior, patient-friendly results, which is very important. Patient-friendly results for many types of common dental procedures compared to those achieved with traditional instruments. Biolase has sold over 38,900 laser systems to date in over 90 countries around the world. So right there is very important. I like the basis, basically the fundamentals of what this company is about, and that's why they caught my attention. For one, going to the dentist is a very traumatic experience for a lot of people. Having a technology that allows the patient to feel more comforting and more calm, and just giving them more sense of security of being at the dentist, that is a key player, a big catalyst for your business succeeding. This technology allows dentists to do that, and that is why I actually like the fundamentals and the basis of this company right here. So now we're on the next slide, and I want to show you guys why Waterlase Laser Dentistry. Why Waterlase Laser Dentistry? You got less pain, fewer shots, faster recovery. Those right there are key things that are going to bring patients back, which will essentially lead to more business for you and also more business for Biolase. That means more machines that can potentially be sold worldwide. Dentist specialists are wanting their products. So this right here, they have a lot of room to grow. Not every dentist has this product, and I really truly believe that this company right here has a lot of potential to grow tremendously. And right here says, is your dentist using Waterlase? It's virtually painless. It's natural water-powered dentistry. It's more convenient, which is always important. It's safe and precise, which is the most important thing, and it reduces risk of cross-contamination. These right here are 5 key factors on why Waterlase laser dentistry is key, and I really believe it will be successful. And that's why I really think that short term it's a great investment for a good swing trade, and also long term with this one right here, because dentistry isn't going anywhere, and so this right here just has so much room to grow. So I really think this right here is a good company, and as I do more research on it day by day, I'm really starting to become more long term on the company. And now I want to go over this. So Biolase, they announced a closing of a $14.4 million bought offering. Closed the offering today, And reading this, right here just gives me more confidence in the CEO and also in the company. The latest offering has bolstered our cash to over $40 million and provides us with the necessary resources to execute the Biolase growth strategy. So they're talking about growing. That's always important. This right here is commented by Todd Norb, the president and CEO of Biolase. So, just reading that right there, it gives me, more confidence, in the company, that they have a lot of cash on hand to be able to grow the company and also do more PR to get their name out there, and also probably, make more products, and, it's a lot of positives come. It's a lot of positives that come from having a big cash flow like that. So I'm very excited about that. And now we're going to move on. This right here is the preliminary 2020 fourth quarter operating highlights. So right here it says total revenue is expected to be in the range of $8.2 million to $8.5 million, which will represent sequential growth of 26 to 31%. That right there is amazing. That's mind-blowing. It's showing growth. So that's what you want to see as an investor. The U.S. revenue exceeded this prior year fourth quarter despite COVID-19 headwinds. That's always a positive, that they can, win during controversy, win through, hard times. You got 78% of sales came from new users. That right there is very important, that it came from new users. So that means more people are wanting to get the product, that they're learning about the product. So that right there is a great sign, continuing a positive trend. 40% of sales came from specialists, a significant increase compared to recent prior periods. ASPs for U.S. Wireless Plus increased 22% versus the prior year period. 4 different dental specialists, which that's what DSOs are, acquired Biolase technologies in the fourth quarter. And then right here it says our preliminary fourth quarter revenue, which now represents 2 consecutive quarters of meaningful improvement, is being driven by sales to new customers, specialists, and DSOs in the U.S. as they seek safer and advanced alternatives to grow their practices while ensuring their patients are being cared for in a safe environment, commented Todd Norb, the president and CEO of the company. So, like I said, this company has a lot of potential, and I am super, excited to be invested in the company because of the potential that they have. And like I said, right now, I keep saying this, I am a short-term investor on this company right here, but I can easily become a long-term investor depending on, how I feel and how the stock, acts with the next, couple weeks, months or so. So we're just going to see. But I just wanted to bring this video to you guys to give you guys just a little background on what the company is, just a little bit of research that I want to provide for you guys. I do want you guys to do your own research as well, to dig even deeper into this. I kind of went over the financials a little bit in my last video. Their financials aren't the best right now, but they're showing improvement. They're showing growth, and that's what you want to see as an investor. So last things last, I want to show you guys the technical side of it. This right here is a chart. I drew this out like 2 days ago, and I have not changed anything. And I'm not changing anything because I really feel confident about this. And today, as I was doing this, we have what we call a cup and handle. So we have our cup right here, and we have the handle right here. And what we like to see is on the handle part, we like to see a pullback just like this before we break out. And I have a trend line going just like this, and right now it's following that trend line perfectly. Even today when we had the dip, it dipped right here, and I just want you guys to see this. It went to $1.26 in the dip twice, and every time us dip buyers, we came in and we bought the stock back up to where we're at now. So that's why I'm very excited about the technical side of it. All my confirmations, everything that I want to see in the technical side is lining up perfectly. And look, all we need is a lot more volume. Once we get the volume, this stock is going to shoot up, and I cannot wait. I'm ready for it. But hey, patience is the name of the game. And so look, we have our cup and handle right here. We have our cup, the handle. So we're just waiting for that potential breakout. It can come at any time. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I want you guys to make sure you do your own research and due diligence before you do hop in. Just take what I say as a grain of salt. This is only my opinion, but I just want to show you guys, for educational purposes only. Look, we're going to end the video there. I hope you guys liked the video. This was just a quick breakdown on what BIOL, the company, is. Just a little quick background on what they do and the numbers, the technical side of it. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like on the video. It helped me out with the YouTube algorithm. And I hope you guys had an amazing day in the stock market, because today was crazy. The day started off wow, and then we had a big sell-off where I hope some of you guys bought a lot of sales. There was a lot of sales today for a quick little second. And so I want you guys to make sure you continue to dominate this week in the stock market, dominate this year in the stock market. But look, you already know what I'm about to say. And always be consistent, be persistent, and most importantly, stay up while we on the come up and never look down. So without further ado, until the next video, I'm out, Pioneers.